Hey, it's Mr. Peace here. Another great way to sustain the spark or the momentum that's created during my initial visit, during that assembly, and keep the energy alive and growing and continuing to spread is a kindness door decorating contest. And one of the schools that I recently visited took this on where every classroom in the entire school, we're just on one small wing here, just took this to heart and had a kindness initiative to really embrace what we spoke about, where we see people for their heart first, treat them like the one race human, see everyone as true miracles, the M on all of our hands etched on our palms, that we just really keep this going. So for example, these are just a couple. This was a play on words: donut forget to be kind. So this was a really awesome one, and then each student wrote different phrases or actions they're going to take to show more kindness on a daily basis. This one over here says, kindness leads to a love of neighbors and community. And this is just an awesome thing where they really focused on the heart, that we keep our heart open, and we can always use that to show others love and ultimately change lives, sometimes even save lives. And on this side of the hallway, they went all out as well. But it says kindness is golden, right? So they got their little gold pot pieces, coins coming out of it, and the rainbow idea, that whole concept that sometimes storms have to happen for rainbows to appear, but we can still maintain the kindness, maintain the love over the hatred. And everybody wrote their positive choice that they're going to make to show that type of love. And finally over here, be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. And even the whole concept of the tree, the birds, just giving back as much as we can to our fellow human beings, people that whether they're born different or not, we still show them that unconditional love and kindness. So think about bringing this to your school today as a way to keep that momentum going, and another just great way to have the kindness continue at your school. Peace.